This is the so-called Iron Triangle which China is allegedly planning to establish to gain full control of the South China Sea. Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral J. Tariela, says the only unfinished vertex is the militarization of Bajo de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal to complete the Iron Triangle, connecting China-controlled features in the Paracel and Spratly Islands. Tariela warns that this could affect one-third of global shipping and restrict freedom of navigation, while China could also eventually gain control of the Bashi Channel.
This is disturbing because for China, they claim indisputable sovereignty in the entire water of South China Sea. For China to take over Bajo de Masinloc is not just a concern for the Filipino people. It's a concern for everybody, wherein more than 60% of the global trade passes in this area.
China's embassy hit back, describing the statements as alarmist rhetoric, amid continuing consultations between China and ASEAN countries on the establishment of a South China Sea Code of Conduct. The Chinese embassy also accused Tariela of being a foreign agent, alleging that he is following the United States playbook to heighten tensions and put Filipinos in the middle of a conflict. Tariela responded, saying China's actions contradict its own statements, including Chinese President Xi Jinping's 2015 promise during his visit to the United States that China's artificial islands in the South China Sea were not intended for militarization.
We know our facts, no? And historically, we were able to monitor kung ano talaga ang pagkilos ng China. So they can just always deny and ignore kung anong mga warnings na ipinapakita natin sa publiko. But definitely, alam natin ano talaga ang intention ng China to be an imperialist state sa region ng Indo-Pacific.
As for how the Philippines plans to prevent the formation of the Iron Triangle in Scarborough Shoal,
On the part of the national government, particularly the Coast Guard, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, patuloy tayo nagpapatrolya sa Bajo de Masinloc.
meanwhile, the Philippines has filed 27 diplomatic protests against China since January over various incidents in the West Philippine Sea. None of these has received a response from China.
Ganun naman China, they do not really respond, but at least we have put on record our protest, our displeasure by coming about with those diplomatic protests.
Outside the West Philippine Sea, the Philippines is also monitoring its northern waters, where an increase in Chinese research vessels has been observed. Several Chinese scholars had previously claimed that Batanes is part of China, a claim that the Philippines immediately rejected.
We are monitoring the maritime domain 24/7 through our land-based sensors in coordination with other government agencies. The noted increase in the research vessels up north is one of the factors that we are considering giving more attention to.
Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.